I think oil prices have some impact on us, but we're kind of agnostic to the price of oil because we have a fuel surcharge that acts as a hedge for us. And to the extent that it correlates to recycled commodity prices, we've taken a lot of efforts to de-risk the business over the last year.
Yeah, economic activity is more important than anything else, isn't it?
It is. I would tell you that one of the reasons we were really excited about our earnings yesterday is because we organically grew revenue by 7.5%, 7.4%. In an economy that's kind of 1.5%, 2%. So every financial metric was up by 7.5%, EBITDA up by 8%, free cash flow up by 13% in a kind of a slow growth economy. That says a lot for us.
People need to pay you every week, don't they? When they have dumpsters
every week.
They have to. That was Wayne Heisinger's original brilliant observation, that everybody is generating trash, and you put your dumpster out there, and you got to rent that dumpster and have it picked, and it still works. It's beautiful. Look at that chart. It's still working. It's a great business.
It's a great model.
Go ahead.
Are you working on driverless trucks?
So here's what I would say about autonomy. We are going to have an autonomous vehicle in one of our landfills and in a recycle facility within the next 12 months. There's a big difference between having it on an off-road vehicle and having it over the road. It's kind of like airplanes. A Dreamliner can fly, pretty much fly itself, but when we get on it and look to the left, if there's nobody up there, we're getting off. And so there's a big sea of difference between technology and public perception.
So just to understand, there's a truck in the on the landfill
on
site.
On the landfill, yeah. We will have an autonomous vehicle on a test basis. It's a dump truck and it's driving on one of the landfills, and we'll have an autonomous vehicle.
Could you see a day and age not only where you have a driverless vehicle, but even some kind of robots that pick up the trash?
That probably happens down the road. It's probably not in my career, but that probably happens down the road. I mean, we're at the forefront of this, but we think it's a much longer term aspiration with collection because of perception on the public side and because of government regulation. I mean, there's only 3 states that even allow autonomous vehicles to run.
Right. How easy is it for you to find employees?
You know, I think
people who want to get on the truck.
We're able to, I'll say this, we're able to hire as many employees as we need to pick up recyclables and trash. But there is this thought out there that maybe the millennial generation doesn't want to drive trucks. And so that's why we're looking at things like autonomy and in the short term working on...
What's the cost of an autonomous truck like that?
Well, we don't know really because it's in test stage right now, but I suspect like anything else with respect to technology, it's going to be more expensive when it comes out initially, and then the cost will come down over time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.